What is up everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mariah May, I also go by the name The Glamour. I'm a pro wrestler from the UK and I make YouTube videos. And today's video is going to be an Opoly Valentine's Day haul. I know this video is super late, but okay, if you're returning, you'll know I've already done one because I adore their Valentine's Day collection and I will link down below my other hauls. I did a Opoly haul on some of their kind of evening wear and then I did a Bow and Tea Valentine's haul, which is the workout wear. And I'm back again because I did another order. So they really got me because it was all satin and ruched with lace and puffy shoulders and corsets, and I was just like, take my money, I don't want it, just have it. I did do another haul, which I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into. I'll be trying everything on, let you know about the sizing, the material, the quality, and giving you guys an honest review. Before we go ahead and jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. The first dress that I literally got because it was called Glamorous Nights and I'm the glamour in wrestling, so I was like, this is for me, you made it for me. So I felt like I had to have it, but it is an absolutely gorgeous dress. So it's basically this black midi dress with these really nice sharp points at the top and then a ruche section at the front, so when you wear it, it looks really, really nice because it's really sharp, and it's got that really elegant ruche section, and it is literally that material all the way down, and at the side it really ruches in at the back. It's essentially a mesh overlay, and then underneath is a thick kind of black material, and it's not see-through or anything like that. So I went for a size 8. I'm normally a UK 8 to 10. With Opoly, I'm an 8 in the dresses, and then in any kind of corset tops or height tops, I do go up to a size 10 because I find they come in a little bit small and I'd rather be a bit more comfortable than feel like I don't have any blood circulation. So I went for a size 8 and it fits so nicely. It's a really stretchy, soft, comfortable material, and the detailing on it is so nice. I like that it's really, really simple but just sharp and elegant. I think it's just the cut of the top for me is what really sold me, and obviously the name, but the cut of the top for me really, really sold me. And then I just love how it was kind of ruched all the way through. We're going to restaurants and stuff. If you're wearing a little tight dress, you know, you like your food, which I do, you kind of always feel like you look a little bit like you're in your first trimester when you stand up. So this kind of dress where it's all ruched and stuff, really, it's comfy, it's flattering, and you just feel secure. So this kind of thing is perfect for a restaurant in my opinion. As well, it is a midi, so it's really, really classy too. So I really like this kind of thing just to go for a restaurant. So I love the material of this, and it is super soft and stretchy, so it's going to be incredibly comfortable. The next thing that I got, I am so in love with. It is this red satin dress, but the thing that really got me was the front. It's basically that's like my hair that's falling out, love that for me. It's basically like a corset underneath the dress, if that makes sense, which I really love. There's something kind of 90s about it. I don't know why, I feel like girls used to wear these in the 90s movies. I just really, really love it. But basically it's got this gorgeous lacy corset underneath and then all this satin ruche material on top. It has adjustable straps, which we love because one size does not fit all. And then all down the side, it is obviously ruched, and then you tie it up at the bottom, which I think is gonna look so nice with the tan, and then you have the little bow. The detailing on it is so lovely, and this is what I really liked about the Valentine's Day collection, was just the little lace trimming, or a lot of it was like satin ruche material with little bows. I just thought it was such nice little touches to make an otherwise quite simple dress into something a little bit more exciting. The next thing that I got is it in white. I should maybe have picked, but the red was just sexy and striking, and there are so many ways I can see myself wearing the red dress. It's just such a nice dress. But this, the color of it, it just felt so elegant to me and so pretty, and I was like, you know what, treat yourself, girl. I did also get it in cream, and I didn't show you guys with the other one, but basically it actually has padded cups and a wire underneath, so it's super supportive, because with a lot of these dresses you can't wear a bra. I wouldn't recommend it because they are kind of mesh and see-through and low cut and have really fine straps, so you're not really going to get a bra underneath this. So the fact that it actually has a little bit of padding and a little bit of structure and the wire underneath, I think is really nice. It's really helpful, it makes you feel really comfortable, and of course it does have an adjustable strap on it too, so that's really nice because then you can kind of adjust it to fit you and however much assistance you might want. And then it just has a hidden zip down the back, just like the other one, and then this lovely bit at the side, which I am just obsessed with, that little detail at the bottom. I think that's so nice, and I'm just in love with it, okay? I also don't want to click it, but the next thing that I got is this amazing dress. So I got this in black in my first haul, and then I went ahead and got it in white. So it's essentially completely mesh, completely mesh. So that is a little heads up for you guys. I didn't realize how bad this would be, but the cups are completely mesh, so you will need to wear a stick-on kind of bra or nipple covers if you're not comfortable with that. Like, I use these kind of stick-on patches because I don't need to be showing that. But it is completely mesh, which is amazing. I do wish they put some more lining in the cups. I feel like that was a bit of an oversight because a lot of people aren't going to be comfortable with just it being completely see-through. But I do love the corset kind of structure to the top. It is see-through with the amazing wires and then kind of ruche material in the middle, and then underneath it does actually have like a thick sort of thong. Again, if you're not comfortable with that, I wouldn't recommend this dress because it is very, hello, very revealing, but it does have a really thick thong, so that is actually not see-through, like you're completely covered at the bottom, which is nice. And then it has this really nice ruche bit at the side, which is always really flattering because it kind of makes you look like you've got a nice bum, basically. It makes you look like you've got a big bum, basically, so it's very helpful. And it has adjustable straps at the top. And the thing that really got me on this dress was the fact that obviously if you look at the body of the dress, it's mesh, it's like a corset, it's see-through. The thing I really love was the sleeves, because they're this amazing, dainty, really elegant, loose sleeve, which I think is so nice. So you can tie it up at the top and it has a little bow on it that you can make. And then you also can have a bow on the bottom. And I just think on it looks so cute. I think it's such a nice contrast because the dress on its own is incredibly sexy and revealing and tight, and then you just have these amazing, elegant, dainty sleeves. And this is so cute because it kind of covers your hands and you can just see your nails and maybe a few rings, which I think is a really nice touch. I really like that kind of thing. As you can tell, I kind of have something like that on right now. So I think the way it works together is so nice. And with my body shape, I feel like anyone who works out or is muscular or curvy knows this. It's really hard sometimes because you kind of have to wear a lot of tight clothes, otherwise you just look like a block. And the thing is, when you're always wearing tight clothes, you feel like it's everyday sexy, and sometimes you just want to tone it down. So the thing I did love about this collection, obviously this is sexy, there's no going around it, but a lot of the items were tight, and then they would have loose sleeves or a little bit of mesh or a little bit of lace and a puffy sleeve, and give it a bit more detail, make it a little bit more elegant, which I really liked. And I really liked all of this stuff because I just felt like it suited my body shape, which sometimes I do struggle with because I see these amazing loose dresses and I'm like, oh, they're so pretty, but I get it and I just look like a block. So I have to wear stuff like this where it's tight. It's really nice to be able to mix in the loose sleeves and the long cuffs and the puffy sleeves and the puffy shoulders. I think it's a really nice touch. I can literally smell these before I get them out. So the last thing that I got are these mesh trousers. So these for me were my risky purchase because, I mean, I love this material. This material is life. It stinks though. If anyone, you know, if you've got this material, you'll know, like, it smells like fish. It's going down a bit. Like, I did get them out obviously to try them on. And when I first got it out of the packet, I was like, my boyfriend was like, what is that? And I was like, it's this. They stink. And I have had them hanging up since this morning. So it's gone down a bit, but like if you get close, you can smell them. They do smell a bit weird, but it's just the material, that's how they smell. But this is my big risky purchase because I've never bought trousers from Opoly before. So I'm normally about an 8 on the bottom. I went for an 8 and they do fit me. There's a little bit of room for maneuvering, but I think a 6 would have been far too small. So I'd say bottoms are true to size. In my experience, I've only ever bought one pair, but I'd say they're true to size. But I saw these on and I just loved them because they were tight on the hips and on the thighs. And then they go into a flare kind of boot cut at the bottom, which I think is amazing. I think it will look so cool with those little strappy heels. I think it's gonna look amazing, and then a tight little top. So that's actually how I kind of tried it on. It's these amazing latex black trousers. So I'll show you guys the detailing at the front. It does have a little hidden button up and zip. And then the back is really, really cool. So it's got, obviously you can wear a belt with it, and then it has the little Opoly little tag on it, which is really nice. And it's got pockets and it's nice and thick. And the inside as well is actually a really soft material. So on, it's gonna be super comfy because I once saw a pair of these in the shop years ago and I went to try them on and the inside was like the same material, and I was like, how am I gonna get this on? It's literally nylon latex inside too. So this is really nice because it's super soft material. It's really, really thick. There's a slight smell with it, but you always get that with this kind of material. I've got another pair of trousers like this and it's like, oh God. But what can you do, you know? That's just how they are. But it is a little bit different. I don't think I have too many trousers like this, so I'm very excited about these. It was kind of my risky purchase, but they are really, really nice and true to size. The next thing that I got was actually from their lingerie collection. I was waiting for so long for this because I actually wanted to buy a few items to wear as tops. Don't get me wrong, gorgeous, gorgeous underwear, but I actually really like them for tops. So the first thing that I got is this burgundy leopard print corset. This is literally like the crop tops that they sell. If you guys have bought corsets from Opoly, you will relate to this so hard. This is literally like what they sell, but I love the contrast with the kind of warmer red and the burgundy. I think is so nice. And then the back is amazing. It's completely laced up at the back, which I think is so cool, and then it's got this amazing lace trim down the front, which I think is so nice. So I'm so in love with this. I'm definitely just gonna wear it as a top. And to be honest with you, definitely gonna wear it as a top. I also got it in the cream kind of baby pink color. I love baby pink, it's my resting color. I wear it all the time, but a part of me really preferred the burgundy. There was something about the burgundy that just looked really, really good. So that's why I ended up getting both, but I felt like I couldn't pass this one up because it's literally my color. This is kind of pinky nude color, and then it's just got a little bit of trimming on it on the back, and then it's got this amazing lace up section, which is literally my favorite thing ever. The next thing that I got is this amazing red top. I really wanted to get the bottoms, but they didn't sell them, and last time I checked they still weren't on the website, which is really odd, and they only sold the underwear in a multi-pack, and it was ridiculously expensive, so I was just like, I'm not doing that. But some of them didn't even have the matching bottoms, which was strange, and this was for like a week or two around the time it came out, so I don't know if they've updated it now, but I'm over it. But yeah, that was a little bit strange, a bit of an oversight in my opinion. The next thing that I got is this amazing hot red corset. It's incredibly structured, which is really nice. So it has wires underneath the cups. They're actually padded too, and it's nice and soft inside. I think the cut of it is really, really nice. And then actually I've got to unzip because I did try it on. But I'll just zip it up quickly. This one's really easy to get into because it does zip up at the side. So it has the same thing as the other corsets with this amazing lace up at the back, which looks so gorgeous and is one of the things that really sold me on it. But it also has a zip up to get into at the side. So it's actually going to be super easy to get on and off, which is really nice. And then the final thing that I got was this bra and underwear set. I think this top will look so nice underneath like a loose kind of one shoulder white jumper or a slightly see-through white shirt. I think it's going to look absolutely amazing. There is no structure and no padding in this if you guys are looking to get it. This one is pretty, just like the material and nothing else. So that is everything that I got from the collection. As I have mentioned multiple times in the video, I really do love the collection. I thought the colors were amazing, the cuts, the shapes, a lot of it really suited my physique, or at least I feel really comfortable and I feel really confident in it, which is nice. I really did love the cuts and the shapes. I liked that it was tight and like a corset, and then it would have elegant details on it. I thought that was a really nice combination. I love their lingerie stuff. I thought it was a little bit overpriced, which is why I tried to pick things I could wear as a top so I could really get as much use out of it as possible, because I did feel they were kind of expensive. Like half of the sets were missing, which was odd. Like, so you'd be able to buy the top but not the bottom, and then you were able to buy all three colors in a pack and not individually, which I felt was a bit of an oversight. So the lingerie stuff wasn't as great for me, but I loved the dresses. I loved the tops and the trousers. They were so, so nice. I would recommend sizing up if you're gonna get a corset. If you're getting a dress or trousers, I felt sticking true to size worked for me, but sometimes with the odd dress, I do need to size up. It just depends. Sometimes they just come up small. Not very often, but the odd time they do, so be prepared for that possibility. But yeah, it's an absolutely beautiful collection. I felt the price was fair. I felt slightly overpriced on the lingerie, but lingerie is just like that, so I guess that's not really an Opoly problem, that's just the lingerie problem. Can't wait to wear it all. I feel like I'm gonna get so much use out of it. I think the cuts and stuff are so, so nice, so pretty. I will also link down below my other haul. I did another Opoly Valentine's haul where I got more pink stuff. This was all kind of black and red and sexy. I got some of the more pink and more elegant colors in my other haul, so I'll link that down below, as well as my bow and tee Valentine's hauls, which hopefully you guys might find helpful and check out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn those notifications on, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.